The automated warehouse and unmanned forklift system have been successfully deployed, marking a shift from manual picking and driving to automated system scheduling for goods, retrieval, and storage. First, our storage method has been upgraded from traditional stacking to high-density vertical storage, increasing space utilization by approximately 60%. Second, the operation process has been transformed from manual searching and handling to automatic goods stupor zone, boosting transfer efficiency by 30%. Third, the entire process is traceable. With WMS/WCS systems, goods positioning is more precise, inventory is visible in real time, and error rates have significantly decreased. Fourth, operations are safer, minimizing the mix of human and vehicle activities and ensuring stable 24/7 operation. These changes have not only alleviated labor burdens, but also advanced the warehouse's shift towards a continuous, accurate, and efficient warehouse automation business model.